You can personalize taskbar in the way you want as well. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around onto the settings. So to do that, I'm going to go to start and I'm going to go to settings right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to personalization option right here. So once you go around over here, taskbar is an option, as you can see, and here are different things that you can turn on or off, and you can also work around with alignment, as you can see. So over here on the top, you can see the taskbar alignment, which is at the center in Windows 11 by default, but you can also go around and arrange it out onto the left to make it look as the same as in older version of Windows as well. So I'm just going to go around, grab it to the center right here, and over here you can turn on and off different features in the taskbar. So you can turn on the widget on or off, as you can see right here. So as you turn on the widget, you can see that you have access to this. You turn off, it is not there anymore. You can see the desktop button over here as well. So desktop button is over here on the corner. So you can turn on the desktop button. So you can click on this to actually go to the desktop right here, or turn it off right here so it is not there anymore. So here's automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode. So if you were to turn this on, then what happens is that the taskbar, it hides out whenever you're not using it right here. So if you want to utilize more space for some reason, then you might want to turn this on as well. There's batches that you can turn on or off right here. So there's different things, as you can see right here. You can turn on batches, you can go around, turn on the automatic hide, and there's Windows workspace, as you can see right here as well. So you can see there's Windows ink, which you can turn on or off. There's keyboard pen right here. There's task view button that you can turn on or off from over here as well, and there's search button you can turn on or off. So over here you can see that you can also work around with the notification option right here. So there's like icon options right here, which you can turn on and off. Like let's say, for example, you don't want volume right here, you can turn off, and the volume is not there anymore. So sometimes when you don't see any icons that you think should be there, then you can actually come up over here and see whether they have turned off. You can also go around right here, see how you can customize your taskbar more, and see the guidelines by clicking on this one as well. And over here, you can see that you can turn on system icons on or off over here as well. For example, you can turn the clock off entirely, turn off the volume button right here, the network right here, so forth. And so as you can see right here, turn off microphone and everything according to how you like it. And that is how you can customize the taskbar inside of Microsoft Windows 11 the way you want. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.